Want a crochet stitch that looks woven but is incredibly easy to make? This is the linen stitch, and in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to crochet it step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Knit Crafts. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the linen stitch, also known as the moss stitch. It's one of the easiest crochet stitches to learn and create a beautiful lightweight fabric. Let's get started. For this tutorial you need yarn, hook, scissors and yarn needle to weave in all your ends later. Let's start by making a slip knot. Now chain an even number of chains. I'm going to chain 20 for this tutorial. Next, skip the second chain from the hook and make one single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip one chain and single crochet into the next chain. Repeat this pattern all the way across. When you reach the end of the row, make your final single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. This is where the linen stitch pattern begins. Single crochet into the first chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the single crochet and make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, continue working one single crochet and one chain into every chain 1 space across. At the end of the row, place the single crochet into the turning chain. Chain 1 and turn. For every row after this, repeat the same pattern. Single crochet in one chain 1 space, chain 1 and move to the next chain 1 space. Repeating this creates a beautiful woven look for the linen stitch. So here I have few tips for success. Keep your chain spaces consistent. Don't crochet into the single crochet stitch. Always work into the chain 1 space. And that's how you crochet the linen stitch. It's simple, relaxing and perfect for so many projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Yeah. Yeah.